Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo V60 Cross Country in Osmium Gray Metallic with a blonde leather interior. This all-wheel drive station wagon has just over 16,000 miles on it. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Scarborough, Maine, so I have that panoramic sunroof wide open. This has the advanced package, so you get that 360-degree camera system, the graphic heads-up display, and the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. Keyless entry and hands-free power liftgate make your life a little easier. And with the purchase of a pre-owned Volvo, you get 1 year's worth of the Volvo On Call app, and you'll be able to remote start your car from that. You'll be able to check your mileage, check how much gas you have in your tank, see where your car is on a map if you've forgotten where it is when you parked it. Tons of options with the Volvo On Call. I have the back headpieces folded down for better visibility. This car also has the climate package. So you'll get heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and heated windshield wiper blades. Nice and clean interior. And if you have passengers in the back, you can just pop that right up. Your seat controls there for the back seat and give power to the back seat. This has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system. I like the stitching on the V60 seats. Those are on the V90 seats as well. Just a nice little detail. Those are all of your safety systems. Checking on startup. Nice peace of mind feature. Memory seating for 2. This has front fog lights and rear fog lights. The front fog lights light up in green and the rear light up in orange. And there's only one rear fog light on the V60, and it's great for driving in terrible weather and making sure that the folks behind you are aware that you're there. You've got navigation. This is your climate control. Choose where you would like it. Your heated seat and steering control here. Off to the left, you'll find a lot of vehicle functions. So this is where you can, if you put those back headrest pieces back up, if you want them to go back down again, they'll go from right there. This also is where you'll find that 360-degree camera system. See what a closer view looks like. If you're in a car wash, cross traffic alert and the parking sensors will probably continuously go off. So if you'd like to turn those off while you're in a car wash, you can do that. Set up whatever apps you'd like, and you can plug in here on the right for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Change your drive modes here to suit your mood, and you're off. This is stock number 6107A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we hope to see you soon because we've got your car and it's really nice. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.